Harbor, an open-source CNCF project created and maintained by VMware, was vulnerable to a limited SSRF prior to versions 2.0.1. This short video demonstrates the vulnerability using a non-administrative user. To exploit this vulnerability, the non-administrative user must be the owner of a project. The user can then create a webhook with an arbitrary endpoint URL. For the purposes of this video, we will be targeting the traffic service in the Cube system namespace as a resource that we know exists. To start off, we will target a service that we know does not exist. The response returns a 400 error with a message that the notification test failed. We then modify the endpoint URL to point to traffic in the Cube system namespace. Because this resource exists and is serving an HTTP service, the test succeeds with a 200 OK. Because the Harbor server returns different HTTP status codes for services on the internal network that exist and do not exist, the Harbor webhook test endpoint functionality could be abused by a non-administrative attacker to enumerate HTTP services available to the Harbor server on its internal network.